Input prices are continuing to climb. That's if you can even get your hands on some of them. Farm Journal's Tyne Morgan has more in today's analysis.
Here now with Michael Langemeier at Purdue University. Okay, Michael, as you look at the input supply issue, and it's not just pricing, it's even sourcing enough of that right now. I mean, these fertilizer prices just continue to climb, but as you look at it, what looks to be more profitable heading into next year, corn or soybeans?
Right now, it looks like it's about a toss-up between corn and soybeans, because both corn and soybeans are being impacted by a lot of different input price pressures. It's not just nitrogen fertilizer, which we can talk about a little bit more if you want to. It's a multitude of inputs, including cash rents. Cash rents are very important, but seed prices, fuel prices, and everything that drives fuel prices. Machinery costs are higher, and so you just on and on down the line. And one of the things that's very important to keep in mind is we have general inflation in the economy. It's running about 6%. That's quite high for the U.S. It hasn't been that high for quite some time. But when you look at the ag sector, it's closer to 10 to 12%. So we're seeing much more inflation in the input prices than we're seeing in the general economy.
Well, I mean, when you look at nitrogen specifically, I mean, that's one of those fertilizers that you can't do without when it comes to corn production. Are you expecting possibly that nitrogen prices even go higher from here as we head into spring?
That certainly could happen. I don't think a lot of people thought they was going to be as high as they currently are. I mean, right now, if you compare where fertilizer prices are right now, as of about a week ago, I saw some data from USDA compared to last March, they're up 45 to 50%. And so they're already up substantially. They're double from what they were last fall. So just very, very large increases, unprecedented increases, but I don't think it's over yet. I think we could see even higher fertilizer prices if we continue to have these supply constraints.
Is it just U.S. or South America?
It's definitely not just U.S. I keep hearing that Brazil's having just as much, if not more, problem sourcing fertilizer, and so it's both. It's all over. But Brazil being our major competitor, it's always important to compare to Brazil, and so I think they're having even more issues with it.
Do you know why?
They import most of their fertilizer. You know, the U.S. does produce some nitrogen, of course, but also some phosphate. We import our potash, but we do produce some of the fertilizer in country, whereas Brazil, very little of it's produced within Brazil.
All right, Michael, thank you so much for joining us. Let's take a quick break, and then we'll have a check of weather right here on Ag Day.